So if you just joined us today, you may notice there's a little tiny Spider-Man doll beside you. Okay, so what happens is whoever has Spider-Man in their hand has to answer the next question. If you don't know, you say pass. Okay, if everyone else in the class knows that option. Okay, but for Caleb, first day, so he gets that option. Everyone else, I want you to try your best, okay? No one's stupid in this class. Please don't say that word. Please don't say that word. No one's stupid.
What if you're just silly then?
Did I tell you that it's okay? This is time for one little story. For it's not hard to get me off track here. I have how do I close this? I have a daughter who's 7 years old, and she's into something called a square jar. You ever have a square jar?
I had that.
Oh, I did. It's full.
Just wait. So hold on, please. So one of the swear words in my house is stupid. Like I'm not allowed to say stupid. I can say it here. Stupid, 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 stupid. As long as I'm not talking to a student, okay? But I can't. There's a lot of things that are swear words in my house. Like stupid is one of them. Dumb is another one. Hate is another one. How is hate a swear word?
Because it's disrespectful.
Yeah, but not hard to say, I hate you, Maddie. That's a disrespectful. Let's say, I hate doing the dishwasher. Is that a swear word? I say
Yeah.
no.
I swear God has so much money.
Okay, but this is I'm a 7-year-old and a 4-year-old. Remember that, okay? So my level of swearing and your level of swearing are two different things, right? Just remember that, okay? All right. Why is it doing here? What's going on? Anyone know what's going on here?
Good question.
Mr. Sadler, what overall are you on 2K?
Only 78.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, I'm a 75.
Okay, so I don't know how to close this. You guys are all in grade 9. Connor, you're going to close this.
18. I got 19. Who plays Matt? I got 19 yesterday.
Anyone know how to close this?
Good.
All right, so let's forget about that.
Hit the little arrow in the top right corner.
This one here?
Yeah, maybe.
Hey, perfect. Okay, excellent. Thank you. All right, here we go. Let's go here, please, okay? Devin, you're going to be up first here, please. Devin, what do we do first here, please? What's the first thing I do? Very good. So remember, this is a bedmass question, so if you're just joining us, all right, going this way, please. Going this way, please. Just because it's first day here, I'm not going to pick on them. So what's negative 3 times 2, please? Negative 6. Good. All right, awesome. So again, remember from bedmass. So please, we're going to do, again, brackets and negative 3 times 2. Can you do that? Beautiful, perfect. Ethan, can you do 1 minus 4, please? Okay, so just a reminder, should we go there, please? So just a reminder here, that's perfect. So brackets come first for bedmass. Then we're going to do exponents. Okay, Abby. So what's negative 6 squared? What does squared mean again, Abby? Yeah, good. But what does exponent 2 mean, though? Yeah, good. In this case, negative 6 times 6. Negative 6, right? So what's negative 6 times negative 6? Positive or negative? Okay, good. Awesome. All right. Sorry, Noah. Noah, even though you weren't here on Friday, I'm confident you can do this. Negative 3 squared means negative 3 times negative 3, right? So what's negative 3 times negative 3?
Negative 9 or
Positive 9, right? Positive. Right. Awesome. Okay, Madison, to finish off, this is the big number. 36 and 9. It's really big. I'll help you. What's 35 and 10? What's 35? 35, okay? So again, this is why we could use a calculator just in case, right? Madison and everyone else. In case you need a calculator for this, you can throw that in there. You pass that up to Colin. Since Colin wants to help, you pass it up to Colin, please. Okay. So before I continue here, please, if I go here, anyone have any major problems with that first one? Please be brave and ask, okay? Now I know I'm scary and up here at the front, but I want to make sure you guys understand completely. If there's any questions along the way, please be brave and ask. Because probably half the class doesn't understand if that's the case, right? All good? All right, letter B. Here we go. Colin's going to get us started. Letter B says, what is it? 2 plus 3 times 0 over 20. Okay, now this question looks enormous. It is. Okay. Call in. What's the very first thing we're going to do going to bed max? Bracket. So we got to start with this bracket here, ignore the square. What's the first thing inside the bracket we're going to do, please, Colin? Okay, good. Well, we still got to use bed max, right? So, yeah, we're going to leave this though. 5 times 2 sounds good to me. We can do that one if you want. Okay, so what's negative 5 times 2? Close? Okay, you may have noticed how I left a little blank space in the middle there. Okay, what should go in the middle there?
3 times 4.
Good. What's 3 times 4? What is 3 times 4? Yeah. So if you notice what I did there, I can do them both at the same time because multiplying works at the same level, right? So you do them both at the same time. Okay? Please be brave and ask, okay, if something's not clear. All right, Kobe, you and your beautiful hair, it's time to shine.
Yay.
All right, 2 plus 12 is?
14.
14, very good. All right, sorry, I'm not going to question it for a sec. I don't know how that's possible. 14 minus 10 is?
14 minus 10 is 4.
Good. And last but not least is Nathaniel. 4 squared is? 4 times, please don't know what answers. 4 times 4 is?
16.
16. And again, remember I gave you guys those times tables on Friday if you need them as well. Just subject. I gave you times tables on Friday if you need them as well. This will be up here for the entire year. Okay, so if you need reminders on times tables. Okay, can everyone close your eyes for a quick second? It's a serious thing, Caleb. Okay, we do this. Who felt great? Who got perfect on those first 2 warm-ups? Raise your hand. Who came close but made a small mistake along the way? Who had no idea what they were doing? Awesome. Okay, good. Okay, raise your heads, please. Okay, if you made a small mistake, you can open your eyes. If you made a small mistake, that's fine. Okay, like I said, it's life. Okay, you can make a small little mistake. We're in class, that's okay. But I want to make sure at least following the right similar process. All right, on to today's lesson, please. Today's lesson is called, we're getting off to the most fun part of math. Are you ready?
Not really.
I'll follow it now. Like I said, the most fun part of math is fractions. Okay, so if you forgot, because I don't think I reminded you last week, please remember to start with the table of contents. Okay, Gavin, you're going to still scale it here what exactly the table of contents is. I'm going to get a piece of paper. If you can get them started on it, that'd be great. Okay, you can have one of those. So you're going to get a mark on this when I collect the notebooks. So we're just going to put the date and then the title. We'll do there to keep ourselves working. Homework, because generally there's not. You know what happens? Daniel, I use the same sheet for all my classes. In some classes there's homework, in some classes there isn't. So for this one there happens to be no homework, so you're happy. All right, so.
Today's the 10th, right?
Today is the 10th, correct, yes, thank you. Today is September 10th. All right, fractions. Here we go. All right, now, I don't necessarily want to ask Parker, but he can take it if he wants to. Does anyone remember from grade 8 what an improper fraction is? Oh, yeah, glad you
In the denominator.
Listen to you, I love it. That's exactly what's in my notes. Did you steal this from me? No, I'm just kidding. An improper fraction is when the numerator okay, for those who don't speak math, what does numerator mean? Top. Numerator's the top one. Busy here today. When the numerator top is bigger than the denominator. Okay, in math, terminology is very, very important. Okay, so I will use words like numerator, denominator, slope, all sorts of things like that. You'll see throughout this course. Okay, but in English, denominator means the top of the fraction, and denominator means the bottom of the fraction. All right. Now, if you're just new to the course, all right, I do about one sentence of notes, and then I do lots of examples. Is that fair to say? That's pretty much what happens. Okay, so there's no one sentence of notes. Then we're going to do a million fractions, a million examples. And we'll go from there. So Caleb, you said you're only up to 70? That's so embarrassing. Colby, what are you up to? Yeah.
Oh, I have 75 and a 68. So really, I would be at 83. But I can go to an 88 right now. But.
Did you get any sleep? Did you get any sleep this weekend, or did you just play 2K all weekend?
Well, my dad kind of ruined my whole week. I plan on playing today all weekend. We're going to the fair. I was like,
how many pencils are you going to bring this year?
probably 4 or 5. They're all time.
All right. Just so you know, don't break anyone else in this class, please.
I know.
Okay. Don't break me. Don't break me. All right. Well, I'll let you, Colby. You have a whole bunch of extras just waiting for you there, just in case. That's good. Okay, here we go. All right, so let's start a question here. Oh boy, number A.
Number or letter?
Letter A. You know what I mean.
Do I know?
No, you probably don't.
Like I said, I'm pretty silly.
Okay, so I will do this one first, and then you guys will take it through the next 3 as a class, okay? So what you're going to do for this, Parker, because you're coming up on that letter B, okay? So the way to do this, actually, I'll open it up to anybody. Does anyone recall how to break this into a improper fraction? Caleb, go ahead.
You multiply the denominator with the large number,
Yeah.
what that's called,
Yes.
and then add the top.
Awesome, okay? So the way I'm going to do this is, wonderful. Okay, so what you're going to do, very well put. So what you're going to do is you're going to make 3 into 9 thirds, because if you think 9 divided by 3 is the same as 3, right? And then 1 added onto it. So 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So this is going to be 10 over 3. Okay, now please be brave and ask. Now, I know not everyone loves fractions, so I was just joking when I said this is everyone's favorite. I know everyone hates fractions.
I have no clue.
Okay, still there, that's good. So all we did for this is in math in high school, this is hard to use for anything. This version of the fraction is used for everything. Okay, so what we're saying is for 3 1/3, you have 1/3 over here, right? If you have like, let's use pizzas, for example. Okay, we'll use pizzas here, okay? So I have 1/3 of a pizza, and that's 1 piece. And I have 3 big pizzas over here. You break them all into 3 pieces, right? So it's 3 pieces for the first pizza, 6 for 2, 9 for 3. So 9, come on please. 9 are for 3 pieces, plus the 10th piece, so it's 10 over 3. That's the idea.
Is it heat on? My toes are cold.
Needed. Okay, let me pause here so we don't talk about toes. And I'll move on to letter B. Oh my goodness, 13.